Hello and welcome to this video. I will share with you how to open Desjardins Bank accounts. So friends, go to Google, search for this keyword. As you can see here, Desjardins, this is the keyword. Click the personal or business, choose personal, and then you have this one, accounts and services. Click one. After that, you have saving accounts, you have everyday accounts. Choose this one. For example, if you have everyday accounts with a limited plan, click open accounts, and then you will redirect it to this page. I want to open my first account. Click on continue. You should be fill out this form from here, as you can see here, and then you will redirect it to this Jardin page. Just await. You have this page, and then just wait a few moments. So friends, you should be write your form and presentations. So friends, just wait. Click this form and click continue. Choose your accounts. Click continue this one, and then just wait to loading this page. All you have to do, write your email address and password. Complete this form as you can see here. Choose this form. After the complete your form here, you write your email address and password as I say, and then write your phone number and verify your phone number and upload your ID, and then write your account details. This is how you can do. It is easy steps. I hope this guide helpful for